You count the calories, you skip the sugar, you drink the water, do the workouts, try the smoothies, and follow the plans. And yet the scale doesn't move, the mirror doesn't change, and inside, that quiet frustration starts whispering again. What's wrong with me? But what if I told you that the real reason you're not losing weight has almost nothing to do with what you eat or how much you move? What if the biggest block is something almost nobody talks about? Not in diet books, not in fitness apps, not even in most weight loss programs. The number one reason most people can't lose weight is emotional weight. That's right, the baggage you can't see, the stress, the unresolved grief, the fear of becoming someone different, the subconscious beliefs that say, I don't deserve this, or if I lose weight, I won't feel safe anymore. You see, your body holds on to more than just fat. It holds on to trauma, experiences, identity. And when your subconscious mind believes that weight is protecting you from attention, rejection, judgment, pain, it will sabotage every effort you make, not to punish you, but to protect you. And no diet can override that protection until you make your body feel safe without the weight. That's why you can eat perfectly for 2 weeks, then suddenly binge. That's why you self-sabotage right after a win. That's why your willpower always seems to run out, because willpower can't compete with unprocessed emotions. And if we're being honest, you don't have a food problem, you have a nervous system problem, a regulation problem, a connection problem. Think about it. When do you overeat? When you're bored, lonely, anxious? When your nervous system is overwhelmed and food becomes the fastest way to soothe it? That's not failure, that's survival. And if no one ever taught you another way to feel safe, of course your body turned to food. But here's the truth. You're not broken. You're patterned, wired, trained to cope a certain way. And the real transformation doesn't come from more restriction. It comes from rewiring. So how do we start? Step 1, awareness. Every time you feel a craving, pause. Don't fight it. Don't shame it. Get curious. Ask, what am I really feeling? The answer might surprise you. It might be loneliness. It might be the weight of someone's expectations. It might be an old memory your body hasn't let go of. Write it down. Speak it aloud. Because the moment you name it, you begin to loosen its grip. Step 2, regulation. Your nervous system can't change if it stays in constant survival. So start each morning with 5 minutes of stillness. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out longer. This isn't fluff, it's neuroscience. Slow breathing calms your vagus nerve, which signals your body, you're safe now. Over time, you teach your body a new baseline. Not chaos, but calm. Step 3. Rewrite your identity. You can't become someone new while holding on to an old story. So stop telling yourself, I always mess up. I have no control. I'm just an emotional eater. Start saying, I'm learning to honor my body. I respond with love, not escape. I am worthy of peace. Identity is not fixed. It's built, word by word, choice by choice. And as you repeat these new affirmations daily, you literally rewire your brain to expect and allow transformation. Step 4, reclaim joy. You weren't born to live in a prison of restriction. You weren't put here to count almonds and fear birthday cake. You're here to feel alive. And when your nervous system feels safe, your body no longer needs food to feel joy. So start adding pleasure back into your life, not through food, but through experiences, music, movement, creativity, laughter, hugs. Your body needs joy to heal. And here's something few will tell you. The body doesn't change through pressure. It changes through permission. When you give yourself permission to feel, to rest, to exist without shame, your biology responds. Hormones shift, inflammation decreases, weight releases naturally, because your body finally knows it's okay to let go. Now let me ask you this. What have you been holding on to that's heavier than any pounds you've gained? A breakup, a betrayal, a childhood wound. That's the weight that needs release. And that doesn't happen with meal plans, it happens with truth. So go there, journal it, speak it, cry if you need to. This is your healing. It's not weakness, it's liberation. And if you're afraid that changing will make people treat you differently, maybe that's exactly what needs to happen. Because you deserve relationships where your light is safe, where your growth is welcome, where your body, however, it looks is not currency for love. So here's your invitation. Stop making your body the enemy. Stop chasing skinny and start choosing safety. Start choosing peace. Start choosing your self-worth, regardless of your waist, because the moment you do, your body follows. Not through punishment, but through trust, through love. And if this message resonates with you, Something inside you is whispering, "This is what I've been waiting to hear." Then I want you to know, you're not alone. Thousands of others are waking up to this truth. And now, there's a way to go deeper. I've linked something below that isn't a diet, it's a reset. A way to heal from the inside out. Click the link. Watch what happens. Your freedom begins the moment you believe it's possible. And today it is.